This is what happens when Steven sees betrayed. They die.
You taking a video?
Maybe? Dum, 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 dum. Poor Boot, never saw it coming. I told you the plastic wouldn't burn it, but it is now. An accident. No, the rest of it's not gonna though. Warning to future Boots. Don't fuck with Steven. Now make the face.
I'll hack you apart for years and then burn you eventually when you're no more use.
Now make the face.
What face? No.
Do it.
No, have Lucas do it.
But Lucas doesn't look funny when he does it.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does.
Please?
Make the face, the angry face. You're not doing it right. I'm inhaling smoke.